Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my professional ethics class. In this video, we are going to discuss the functions of the Bar Council of a state as mentioned in section 6 of the Advocates Act 1961. Friends, we all know that as per section 3, there should be a Bar Council for a state. Section 4 deals with the Bar Council of India. There shall be a Bar Council of India to monitor and supervise the Bar Councils of the states. And Section 5 says Bar Council is a body corporate. That means it will have succession. And we are going to discuss Section 6, that is the functions of the Bar Council of India. Right? So Section 6 is an important section because I need not deal with section 7 because almost the similar functions will be there for the Bar Council of India also. So without wasting much time, let us quickly plunge into the functions of the Bar Council of a state. Number 1, to admit the persons as advocates on its roll. This is most important. So friends, you all know that once you complete your degree, you will be under the impression that you are a lawyer. Yes, you are a lawyer. But for becoming an advocate, you have to get enrolled in the Bar Council of the concerned state. Yes, so this task will be taken up by the Bar Council. That is enrollment procedure. It's a bit lengthy procedure and you have to pay so much of amount for becoming an advocate, and you will be given the temporary sanad which will be valuable up to 2 years, and if you pass the All India Bar examination, yes, you will be given the permanent ID card. Otherwise, this will be taken away. Number 2, to prepare and maintain the roles of the advocates. To preparation of the roles is whenever a new admission comes, they will prepare the role. But maintenance of the role is an arduous task. So somebody may become a non-practicing advocate. Somebody might have been practicing elsewhere in other, like Tamil Nadu. Somebody might have died. Somebody might have got a job, but they won't inform. So, taking all these things, maintenance, who are practicing advocates, who are non-practicing advocates, who are already got a job, who became a magistrate, who became a PAPP, all these things, unless they inform, it is very difficult. They have to gather all the information. So that's why maintenance of the role is an important, arduous task of the Bar Council. Next is C, to entertain and determine cases of misconduct against the advocate on its role. So in section 35, we will be dealing with the so-called cases of professional misconduct or other misconduct in detail. So Bar Council of India has got the disciplinary authority as disciplinary power, and they will follow the procedure insisted by the Code of Civil Procedure in deciding whether misconduct has occurred. If so, they can suspend, they can remove the advocate from the roles, all these things they can do. So C is to determine and deal with the so-called cases of misconduct. D, this is more important, to safeguard the rights, privileges and interests of the advocates on its roll. Actually, this D should have been in A because the Bar Council is the apex body. It is there to protect your right, to protect your privilege, to protect your interest. So rights of the advocates, you may be knowing, while dealing with section 29 to almost 30-31, we are going to tell you, advocates are only the class of legal practitioners. They are only entitled to practice in the court of law. That is their right. Then interest. Yes, they have got family interest, welfare measures, so many things are there. Privileges. Yes, they are deemed to be the intelligentsia of the society. They must be respected. They are a privileged class. They are educated class. These interests should be protected by the Bar Council. Then coming to the topic of DD. D already rights interest. DD. DD says to promote the growth of the Bar Association for the purpose of effective implementation of the welfare schemes. So we are going to discuss the Advocates Welfare Act 2001. For example, if any advocate dies, an amount of 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs will be donated to him. If he involves in an accident, accidental insurance will be there. Likewise, during Corona also, due to the welfare measures, due to the welfare fund, the AP Bar Association, they have given some 10,000 rupees or so. So likewise, welfare schemes are also more important for the Bar Council of a state. Then coming to E, to promote and support the law reforms. Here, as advocates, please remember, you have to support the law reform. You are advocate. So you are a court officer. If you do not support your own law, who is going to support? No doubt, we are not satisfied. We may be having our own ideas, but still you can tell them only in the comment section. But you should not directly criticize the law reforms. Why reforms? You know, law is always dynamic. Law is changing. Amendments may be necessary. Reforms may be necessary. Restructuring may be necessary. You have to adopt the same. So please remember, you have to support the law. As advocates, as Bar Council, definitely you have to support the legal reforms. Then triple E, this is more important. So section 6, triple E. So to conduct, to organize legal aid to the poor in the prescribed manner. So legal aid, even though Article 39A is a constitutional right, is a fundamental right, but still the Bar Council has got a duty to support the distressed or poor people who are not having access to justice because of poverty. I think W I told you or not, so W also please remember to conduct seminar and organize topics by legal luminaries regarding the interesting topics and publish journals and papers of legal interest. This is also a function of the Bar Council. Yes, definitely. So if you organize seminar, the purpose of organizing seminars, even your class is also that. Then topics by eminent jurists. So certain advocates, they are very famous. Certain judges, they are very famous in particular topic. So due to the so-called virtual hearing, we are able to know the honorable judges of Supreme Court speaking from the dais, and if we are able to understand their ideas and other things. So topics are more important, and please. So yesterday in the last class, in the so-called 7 lamps of advocacy, I told you that you must be well equipped with the latest laws, legal reforms. So you have to study the books like All India Reporter, ALD, so many things are there. Then F, to manage and invest the funds of the Bar Council. This is also an important task. To manage the funds is one thing. So that's why lawyers should have the accountancy. And the investment. So investment, please remember, the amounts should be invested only in the nationalized banks. If you know that much, it is sufficient. Then G, to provide for the election of its members. This is most important duty. Whenever you become a Bar Council member, your idea or your thinking is always on the elections. GG, to visit and inspect the universities in accordance with the directions given by so and so. Okay, we will deal with that. But anyway, the Bar Council can inspect the universities because they want to see. They prescribe the so-called subjects. Previously, at the beginning, there were only 5 subjects. Now you are dealing with 32 or 33 subjects. So the subjects will be actually given by the Bar Council. Therefore, they can inspect the universities, and if there are any deviations, they can guide them also. Then H, of course, this is a saving clause. To perform all other functions conferred by it or under the Act. So Advocates Act is the Bible for them. Any other functions, if necessary, they can do it. Likewise, I, to do all other things which are necessary for the discharge of the aforesaid functions. So that is, they can take disciplinary action, they can take other actions also. So this is another saving clause, right? Then they will have the different funds. This is definitely Advocates Welfare Fund. If you know that much, it is sufficient. So welfare fund, then legal aid committee will be there, and law libraries. So now we are calling them as e-libraries. Yes, these are the functions of the Bar Council of India. Please remember them. Bar Council of a State as well as Bar Council of India. Section 6 and 7 deal with almost, they will be similar. So with this I am concluding. Thank you very much.